In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix website is not allowed on iPhone whenever you're trying to get into the Google Chrome. Even the Google Chrome, whenever you're trying to refresh it, it says the website is not allowed. It is a restricted website. So if you're going through this kind of trouble, this is what we have to do. So the first thing, we have to go to the settings. Now from here, we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the screen time. From here, we have to scroll it down and navigate to content and privacy restriction. From here, what you need to do is we have to click on app. Make sure this is turned on first. That's very important. And go to App Store, Media and Web Games. Now from here, we have to go to web content, tap on it. And from here, as you can see, this is being set into this reason. So change this to unrestricted. Now, if you just go back to the Google Chrome and if you try to get into this, you can see it's all working fine. And even if you try to search something here, it will be working fine and there is no issue with anything here. So this is what we have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.